Is it on?
If I ain't
The
put it
remote
on,
don't look it's on.
No, remote on.
damn or something.
I'm gonna cut it off, cut it back on.
Yeah, just not sure that you put it on.
But see the ones.
Right there on the ground. You turn it, you
Face it
go up now.
Oh, that's over there. I heard some music somewhere.
Is it connected? Can you see my hand?
I can see your hand. It's connected.
They ain't filming here no more.
I ain't joking.
Nancy.
Hold up, no. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. That one Darren talking to yourself. What that man? She'll have you laughing and what that man had say? If I'm walking out here,
If you take your time with it, you'll get it in.
he said he had about enough.
I got to go in.
We gotta go and look at it.
Yeah,
Do
look at
some
me
more
like I was
research.
cool,
Okay.
because I spoke to the man
Yeah,
when
when
he
he
walked by.
when he was walking by, we was laughing at him. Oh, man. Oh,
Y'all had done nothing.
that's something I don't win too. Huh? Yeah. No, he talks to himself when he walking. He wanted to talk. Come on, Kobe.
All right.
I was crazy. Then I saw him walking by and he said, I had balls.
Yeah, about time. Yep. You got it? You did the right thing, Dewan. Trust me.
Kobe,
Huh?
go get it.
Bring what?
Go get the drum.
It outside?
Yeah, go get it.
All right. What is that? Hmm. Must be got to. Huh? Quayon, it's not out here.
Oh, she got it, No problem. Yeah, she got it.
I was about to say, somebody took my drone.
Oh, sorry, Dad. Sorry. If it's meant to,
Don't come over and look
Did I
at my
have
cake.
peanuts?
Don't, huh?
Did I have peanuts?
No. Why, you want a piece? Huh? Huh?
I'd rather have the green one. I have the green one though.
Was that a beer or something?
No.
but then
Can I have some green cake?
Oh, that reed joint.
Green. I want green. I want the green one.
I heard you the first time. The second and the third.
Huh?
I heard you.
no. Maybe that's a filter. Hey, look. Hey.
Take it to the table.
All right.
And don't waste it either here.
We're going to sit at the bar.
I want to see the board.
Quayon, you sit at the bar and let Kobe sit right there to that table so he don't waste it. And then that food right
Next. Come on. Can I sit with you?
The battery here went on here.
I don't see why I should be dead though.
Y'all need one. Is it you have to charge? Dad, we was looking at this video last night that popped up on TikTok. And this man was getting